So we're at the factory, and we have Craig here, and he is building. We're building these A-frames. We're getting ready to produce, hopefully in large numbers. The problem right now is that we've been going slow because we're prototyping. We're trying to figure out what we need to do, and that takes time. Now we know that we need a lot of fiberglass I-beams, correct? So these are going to support the floor on the SeaPod. So we have Craig here. He's been building these A-frames. Been like 10 sets, 5 sets?
10 sets we're going to make, yeah.
10 sets of A-frames. And then we are putting these aluminum C-channels on here. We're going to cover this with fiberglass, and we actually make it so it's going to be covering almost like a C over top, and then we're doing another one on top of this, right?
Correct.
So it'll be like joining the two together, and then it's going to be an I-beam, like a standard steel I-beam, but this is going to be made with fiberglass instead. So this one is going to be 15 feet long, and then we're going to cut it to size, but it's about that. That's about the right size.
Yeah, 26 15-footers and 14 10-footers.
Okay.
Cross members.
Great.
And that'll be for the floor of the EcoPod.
Okay. All right. Very good. So that's the update on the fiberglass beams we're making. And over and out.